We're live at Savvy Organics Farm.
We're not live.
Well, barely live.
I'm barely live.
What are you doing?
We have more rain coming in the forecast. We have to give the rain somewhere to go. Look at this ground. We had, over the past 2 weeks-ish, 12 inches of rain. This ground is awful. I mean, it is, people talk about their clay soil. I can make a brick with that. It will be a brick. I mean, look, that's how many days with no rain? 4 or 5?
Yeah, we've had some mist, but not much else.
Yeah. So
she's been working hard of her own volition here to drain the water, making a ditch.
It comes off in bricks. I mean, it's like, well, that didn't work. It is just awful. Ridiculous.
So what she's trying to do to accomplish here over the long run is this field needs to drain downhill, and she dug this whole thing out. If you can see this, she dug this whole thing out all the way down here, and now she's making this trench to go out to the ditch by our road to try to get some of the water that ends up standing between the tomato plants to drain off the field. But our soil drainage out here is really horrible. So
Trying to be the fit farmer.
She's practicing being like Mike Dickson at Fit Farmer, so she's getting her workout on. She's doing a great job. We're still working on getting the tomatoes planted. We have 2 rows finished, and we're on this row right here. So hopefully the rain will hold off and we can get the rest of these planted. I think we're going to need about half of one more row that we'll put right in here, but it's coming along. The rest of this side of the field is covered in silage tarp to help suppress and get rid of the weeds. But man, it's absolutely amazing that she has dug this big trench all by herself. I'm super impressed.